So in the previous video we have seen already this power set. Okay, so we have seen already how to find out power set of any given set. Okay, so what we have seen in that class, in that video, we have seen that first we have to write all the subset. Okay, then we have to make a collection of that subsets. Collection means we have to write a set having all the subsets as the element, and that set will be called as the power set of A. So we have seen two examples. This is the second example where we have written the power set of B. Okay, then we have discussed about how to find number of element in the power set, which is not big, very big discussion, which was equals to, means number of element in the power set which was equals to number of subset. So there were if there were four number of subset, those subset will be the element of power set. That means number of subset is equals to number of element of power set. Okay, so that was not much of a discussion. That was a simple formula. Okay, so we have also seen this. Next we will discuss about what is universal set. Okay, so to understand what is universal set, we will first we will see what is superset. What is superset? We have seen already subset. We have seen already subsets. So let me give a preview of what was a subset. So let me take two example. Let set A has two element 1 comma 2. So A has two element 1 and 2. Okay, and let's say B has let's say three elements. Okay, here B has three element. Now I can say A is the subset of B. I can say A is the subset of B. Okay, so I can say A is the subset of B. Why have I said that A is a subset of B? It is because every element of A belong to B. Okay, whenever every element of a set belong to another set, then that set is a subset of other set. Okay, so here every element of A is there in B, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So every element of A is there in B. That means A is the subset of B. Okay, this is how we discussed what was subset, for which set we can say subset. Okay, now I have used the word subset for this set A because A is the subset of B. Okay, I can say another sentence that B is the superset of A. Okay, if A is a subset of B, then B is the superset of A. Okay, that is the term we were going to discuss superset. Okay, so what is superset? If A set is the subset of set B, then B is the superset of set A. Okay, here B is the superset. Okay, so here B is a set such that A is the subset of B. Okay, in this case B is the superset. So let me write here that this B is actually superset. This B is actually superset. Okay, this is how we write superset. Next we will see. mm, Next we will define the universal set. Okay, uh, let me take another some example. So this is a set that has two elements, and this is a set that has some elements 1 2 3. Let's say let me take 2 3 examples, 2 3 sets. Okay, these are the sets. Okay, these are the four set. I have taken example in which I have taken four set. Okay, now uh, what we have to write, what we have to write these are the four set. Okay, now what we have to write, we have to write the biggest superset such that all these sets are subset of that set. Okay, we have to write a set such that all these set are the subset of that set. Then that set will be called as the universal set. Okay, universal set is the superset of every other set. Okay, whatever the set is given to you, universal set is a superset of all others set. So basically we have to write a superset such that that set is the we have to write a set such that that set is the superset for all other sets. Okay, so we can write a set, we can write a set we can write a set. Let's say, let me write set that has element minus 1 0 1 2 3. Okay, now see here, I have taken the elements minus 1 0 1 2 3. So these are the element I have taken into a set. Now then after that, check that every other set I have taken previously, these are the sets that I have considered. Now check that all these set are the subset of this bigger set. Okay, now if you see in this set, all the element of this set are here. Okay, these numbers. Now all the element of this set are also present. All the elements of this set are also belong to this set. All the element of this set is also belong to this set. That means these set are the subset of this set. Okay, so I can say this set is the superset of all the set. Okay, this one set is the superset of this one set is a superset of all other set. Okay, so I can say basically this set is the universal set. This set is the universal set. So what is universal set? Basically, universal set is the biggest superset of all other set. Okay, so that superset will have all the elements of other set that are subset. Okay, in this case these are subsets. These set are the subset of this set. Okay, so all these subsets will have the element in the universal set. Okay, so this was about universal set. Now in book there are pretty much good examples, so let me take example from the book. uh, so let's say there are two set of isosceles triangle. Set of isosceles triangle, and okay, and let me take another set of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay, let's say there are two set. Okay, first set is the set of isosceles triangle. Second set is the set of right angle triangle. Now I have considered two set of isosceles triangle and set of right angle triangle. Now we have to write the universal set. We have to consider the universal set by our own. Okay, how we will consider the universal set? So I can say universal set can be set of all triangle. I can say that this is universal set. I can say that this is universal. Why I can say this is universal set? Because see here, this is set of isosceles triangle. Means in this set there are triangles. Specifically, all the triangles are isosceles triangle. That means every triangle have two sides equal. Okay, and in the second set, all the triangles are right angle triangle. That means in every triangle in the second set will have a 90-degree interior 90-degree angle. Okay. Now this is a set that has every triangle. Okay, that has equilateral triangle, that has isosceles triangle, that has right angle triangle. Every other triangle are present in this set. Okay, now so every triangle is present in this set. That means isosceles triangle will also be present in this set. Right angle triangle will be also present in this set. That means these triangles are also present in this set. So this is the biggest superset of these sets. Okay, and also I can say these are the subset of this set. Okay, these are the subset, that set of isosceles triangle and set of right angle triangle. These two sets are the subset of this set. Okay, that means this is the biggest superset. So if this is the biggest superset, then I can say this is a universal set. Okay, this is example from the book I have taken. Okay, so this was the discussion on what is universal triangle, what is universal set. Okay, this was the example for universal set. How to write an universal set? How then we have discussed about. First, we have discussed about superset, because to understand universal set, we need to understand what is subset and what is superset. If you understand what is superset, then we can write the biggest superset under which every set is the subset. Okay, that biggest superset will be called as the universal set. Okay, this was for this was for the topic universal set. I think you got every concept for the universal set. Next we will discuss the next topic in next video. Okay, thank you.